look at this thing, the man of crap. That's pumping out, peoples. I tell you what, this is what your recirculate button's for, I can tell you right now. Have a look at that absolutely putrid thing. They've probably got no idea what's getting pumped out the back of that. Can you even see in the video how bad that is? What do we got here? What is it? It's got to be made in China, doesn't it? No, I don't know what it is. What is it? What is it going to be? A SsangYong? I can't even read what it says. Hyundai. Of course it's a Hyundai. Oh, look at the amount of rubbish coming out. What do we got? Twin pipe power. What engine is that? Twin turbo. Oh, it's like a smoke screen. Remember when I was a kid, I used to play a game called, what was it called? Oh, and they had a smoke screen. You could push buttons, machine guns, missiles, oil slick and smoke screen. This is one of these vehicles. If anyone wants to report it, it'd be for the good of everyone. WAC048. Unbelievable. 10th of May, Calder Highway near Sunbury. Terrible.